Alright guys, what's going on everybody, and welcome back to another video. So today we're with the awesome Supercars and we're checking out a pretty cool rally because it's a private one, and I think they're only supposed to have like 20 to 40 cars out here, and it's already a pretty good variety. We got an Audi R8, a Testarossa, a GTR, an Aston Martin, and a baby blue color, and some other pretty cool cars. So I'm gonna let y'all check them out with a few montages before we get started with this rally, and hopefully y'all enjoy. Alright, so check this out you guys. I'm not really sure if y'all been able to tell the recent change in quality from the new videos, but there are a few clips that I've been using with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and I feel like it's been working pretty good. I just gotta get used to it. Like right there I was pointing directly at the sky, but yeah, right here we got a lineup of supercars for today's rally. We got an Aventador SVJ R right here, and then right here we have an Audi R8 from Creative Bespoke. Oh yeah, I also can't forget the camera car that's right up front right there. That one basically has the whole camera rig in the back so that you can get all the cars basically rolling through. Then we have a Testarossa right here, I believe this is. We also have an R35 GTR. Then we have a baby blue Aston Martin. I want to say it's like a Vantage or Vanquish. Y'all let me know down in the comment section what kind of Aston this is. Alright, and then right here we have a Porsche Turbo that's leading this side of the pack. I'm guessing this is the second part of the pack. I mean, you really couldn't get much parking over there, but yeah, that's why they're parked over here. Then we have a Lotus Emira right here, I'm pretty sure in manual. Then we have a Lotus right here looking super menacing in the whole black color. Then we have a C8 Z06 right here looking super duper clean. And then we have an R35 GTR that sounds super duper good. Alright you guys, so we're about to get the rally started. The people are already starting to get, or the drivers are starting to get in all of their cars. So we're gonna go ahead of the group. We're gonna fly our drone for this rally as well. So I'm gonna get ahead of the whole crew. Then we're gonna capture all the guys passing by. Check out that SVJ right there. Camera car as well. It's gonna be pretty crazy, but yeah, let's get on the road. Let me get tied up, because if not, this friggin' alarm does not go off. Well guys, it looks like we completely failed. I guess we went through the wrong road. I read the map and I read the directions and everything. I thought I was on the right road, and unfortunately I was not. I did not get all the cars flying by here. It would have been a really good road for them to basically come ripping through, because it is so beautiful here, but I guess they went another route, and right now I'm going to go catch up to them at the final destination. Hopefully there's a few cars there, and hopefully I can actually follow one of those SVJs, because it is still pretty loud, and hopefully we can get some good content with that guy.
Alright, so I need to explain these next few clips a little bit. As soon as I was filming with my camera right here and the gimbal, the SVJ started up and was actually starting to leave, as y'all can see right here. And I went sprinting to my truck right after because I wanted to follow these guys, and it was actually pretty cool because that Testarossa and two R35 GTRs ended up following as well. So right here are some clips of me with my DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and hopefully y'all enjoy.